Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to program the Revolo Keypad Deadbolt. So the first thing we want to do is to reset the lock. This is going to restore the factory default settings and also teach the lock the orientation of the door to know if the door is a right or left-handed door. So let's go ahead and reset this lock. The first step is to go to the interior assembly right here, and now we need to remove the battery cover. So slide the cover up and remove it. Now you need to load 3 batteries in. So you can see this lock uses 4 AA batteries, but first you need to get 3 batteries in. So let's get the batteries in. And now you need to get a pin. So you need to get a pin like this or the reset tool that comes with the lock. So now there's a pin hole right here and there's a reset hole. So you need to insert this pin inside. Press and hold it. Now put the 4th battery in. Keep holding it. So once you hear a long beep and the logic board extends, the reset is complete. So let's go to the keypads. So the next step is to change the default master code. The default master code is 12345678. This code can be used to program your lock, and it can also be used to unlock your door from the outside, so you need to change it. To change this code, the first step is to hit Revolo twice. Now enter the code 12345678. Hit Revolo and press 1. Now enter your new master code, 4 to 10 digits. So mine is gonna be 554477. Hit Revolo. Enter the code again, 554477. Hit Revolo. So you can see that a green flash and a long beep showing the new master code is now active, and that's what we're going to use for other programming. And now the next step is to add new user codes. As you know, a user code is the 4 to 10 digit code that can be used to unlock your door from the outside, and this lock allows you to add up to 20 user codes. So to add a user code, the first step is to hit Revolo twice. Now enter your current master code. Hit Revolo. Now you need to press 2. Now enter a new user code, 4 to 10 digits. So mine is gonna be 1122. Hit Revolo. Enter the code again. Hit Revolo. So you can see that a long beep and a green flash showing your new user code is now active. So let's test it to see how it works. So press any key to lock, press and hold any key to lock. And now to unlock, let's enter the user code we just added. So 1122. Hit Revolo. So you can see it's unlocked. So let's add another code. So first step is to press Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Press Revolo. Press 2. Now enter a new user code. So my second user code is going to be 3344. Press this. Enter the code again, 3344. Press this. So that's it. The code has been added. So let's test it again. Press and hold any key to lock. And now to unlock, let's enter the user code we just added, 3344. Press this. So you can see that that's how it works. So now I want to show you how to remove a user code from this lock. If you want to remove a user code you added, what you need to do is to hit Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Hit Revolo. Press 3. Now enter the code you want to remove. So in my case, I want to remove the code I added first. That's 1122. And hit Revolo. So you can see that a green flash and a long beep showing the code has been removed. So let's test this to see. Press and hold any key to lock. And now to unlock, let's enter the user code we just removed to see if it's going to unlock. 1122. Press this. So you can see it's not working. The code has been removed. So let's enter an active code. Press this. So you can see it's unlocked. So that's how to delete a user code from this lock. You can repeat the steps to delete more user codes. So now I want to show you how to activate the auto lock. If you want to activate the auto lock, the first step is to press Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Press Revolo. Press 5. Press 1 and press Revolo. So a long beep and a green flash showing the auto lock is not active. Now your door is going to lock after 30 seconds, but you can set your own time. If you want to set your own time, the first step is to press Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Press Revolo. Press 8. Now enter your time, 10 to 99 seconds. So mine is going to be 10 seconds. Press Revolo. So that is it. Your time is set. Now your door is going to lock after 10 seconds. So that's it. That's how it works. So let's unlock. And if you want to cancel the auto lock, the first step is to press Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Press Revolo. And press 5. Press 2 and press this. So that's it. The auto lock is cancelled. So that's how it works. So now I want to show you how to mute and unmute this lock. So if you want to mute the keypad sound, the first step is to press Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Press Revolo. Press 4. Press 2 and press this. So that's it. The keypad sound is gone. So let's test it to see. So you can see the keypad sound is no longer there. And now if you want to unmute the keypad sound, the first step is to press Revolo twice. Now enter your master code. Press Revolo. Press 4. Press 1 and press this. So that's it. The keypad sound is back. So you can see the keypad sound is now back. So that's how it works. That's how to mute and unmute this lock. And with this, we've come to the end of this programming video. I hope this video was helpful. And if so, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.